So this euro dollar analysis for Friday, 22nd of December. Now, let's have, before we have a look where prices might potentially go, let's have a look where prices have been more recently. So, we have seen the price, we've seen the movement to the upside, and we've cleared this 1830. We've had a test of 1830. We've had a break to the upside. We didn't get quite up to 1910. We traded all the way up to 119. From 119 we did see a bit of a pullback here. We were expecting continuation for a 1910 test, but we have seen what appears to be a breakdown. Now at present we've gone into this bit of a consolidation. We've tested at 1862 that we were expecting. We did see a bit of a buy side momentum, but we have not seen the follow through up to 1910. So we've seen the test, and we've come down for a retest, and as indicated by these candles closing near their lows, we weren't able to hold this 1862. Now we have seen a bit of a sell-off currently at present here. I think it's during the Wellington session now. We are seeing a bit of a well, during the Asian session, well, this crossover. We are seeing a bit of selling momentum come into the market. We have these candles closing near their lows. Okay, we've traded below this 1830. We've come all the way down to the 400 period moving averages there, and it does appear that prices seem to be some buy side momentum coming back into this market from the 400 period moving average. As you can see here, we're currently retracing back above this major level in around 1830, so possibly a move back all the way up to 1862. This move down was very impulsive. We traveled quite a distance in a short period of time, and we do seem to be having the buy side momentum come back into the market, so we could potentially go up to 1862, from which we're looking for possibly a move up to 1910. If however we do see the continuation of this bearish sell side move, again we're looking to see prices break below this 400 period moving average, come down to this 1810. If 1810 does not hold, we're looking for prices to head down towards that 200 period moving average, pretty close by, so both those levels could be tested all at once, a break from which we're looking for prices to head down to 1771. If we don't, 1771 marked out here in red is a major level, so we would be expecting buy side momentum to come in at 1771. If we don't see buy side momentum come in at 1771, we'll be targeting 1728, below which we're looking at 1710. Currently, as we are in and around this 1840, I'd expect 1710 to be the far end of the range, unless we do have an extremely volatile day. And again, to the upside, beyond 1910, the levels that we are looking at is in and around the 1960 before we look towards 120, and beyond 120, the level that we are looking at is all the way up at 120.30. That's a major level marked out in red. So 120 before we get up to 120, and 1960 if we do clear 1910. Those are the levels that we are looking at on the euro against the dollar, and let's just see. Yeah, so with that said, that's wrap up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.